Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Forever 21, just seeing what's new. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So the first thing I'm seeing are these little smock dresses. The material is really nice and lightweight, like kind of sheer. Has the elastic on the wrist, smocking on the bust, and then it's a flowier skirt. Comes in the pink, also in the really pretty blue. Cute to wear with your cardigans and then like knee-high boots. The back looks like, and these are gonna be $24.99. Also new are these little cami sweaters with the cardigan sets. Really nice, like thicker quality. Has the ribbed strap with the little popcorn balls. That's what the back looks like. Comes in the pink, and then the cardigan has the ribbing buttons, more of like a shorter cropped fit with the pattern going all the way towards the back. So the sweater's $34.99. The matching tank top is $19.99, and it comes in the pink, also in the blue, and then in the olive green. So new are these mock neck sweaters. So they have that ribbing around the neckline, this little like cable knit detail, and it's also in the bottom and down the sleeve with the ribbed wrist and ribbing at the bottom. The back has that little cutout detail, and it comes in the green, also in the beige and in gray. And these are gonna be new are these little ribbed dresses. So this one has an elastic neckline, so you can wear it on or off the shoulder, ribbed through the sleeve, and then it's also more of a fitted style with that little tie detail, and it's fitted through the back with that seam. It comes in the olive green, also in the brown, and these are going to be $19.99, $24.99. Also seeing lots of new pieces from the Everlast line. So these have a thick waistband, more like a big bike short style. They are high rise. These are $17.99. It comes in the gray, also in the black, and they have the matching sports bra. So there is some padding in here with that elastic band at the bottom. These are also $17.99, and they come in both the same colors. There's another little short set. So the sports bra has that racer back style. Doesn't have any pads. It's also $17.99, and the bike shorts have the high waistband, really nice and thick, and they're like a really good stretchy material with the Everlast going down the side, and these are also going to be $17.99. New little cropped sweatshirts from that Everlast line. So these are a really super soft fleece on the inside, crew neck, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, and then this little toggle at the bottom to pull it all in. This one's $24.99. It also comes in the black. Also new is this high neck velour dress, really cute for Valentine's Day. Has that higher neckline fitted through the body. That's what the inside looks like, really nice and stretchy. And these are gonna be like cropped. They're not cropped, I would say they're just shorter length, fitted ribbed sweaters with the mock neck little zipper pull, fitted through the sleeve with the ribbing on the wrist. Comes in this pink, also in black, and then in the blue. And these are gonna be $19.99. More new ribbed sweater dresses. So this one has that little cutout detail fitted through the sleeve and then also through the body, more of like a midi length. These are $29.99. It comes in the black, also in brown. And then this one is the button down front. You can use this one as like a duster style cardigan. True buttons, $29.99, fitted through the sleeve, and it comes in this beige, also in the orange. I think I showed you guys the red one last time. It's a really cute sweater dress to wear with your knee boot. So it's buttoned all the way down. You can also wear this one as like a duster style cardigan, ribbed wrist, and then all this like net detail. This one's $29.99. Comes in the pink, and then down here there's a green, $14.99. New button down like corduroy jackets. I think I showed you guys this blue one last time, but now I'm seeing it in the black. So they're really nice, like oversized length. Has the two pockets, snap buttons with that snap button detail on the wrist. These are $34.99. Has that seam going down the back. A lot of the things right now are 40% off online. So I'll have everything linked down below. Make sure you check out those prices. Here's another nice jacket. So this one is full tweed. It has the 2 snap pockets, snap buttons all the way down, a little bit of fringe detailing on the bottom. That's what the wrist looks like. Comes in the black and white, also in the red. There's like some brown in there, and these are gonna be $44.99. These like hatchy material bodysuits look new, so they're really super soft and stretchy, ribbed through the whole thing, snap little Henley style buttons, and they're fitted through the wrist, and it is like a mid-size bodysuit. These are $19.99. It comes in the beige, also the brown, and in the gray. Short and a gold. Little scoop midi length rib dresses. So it has that scoop neckline, really nice, like fitted through the sleeve and in the body. Comes in the gray, also in the blue, and in the ivory. These are $29.99. Also new are these wrap style, like off the shoulder sweater dresses. It looks like that up close. Kind of reminds me of Manojdey. Has that wrap style front fitted through the body. Comes in the brown and then also in the blue, and these are going to be $29.99. That's what it looks like on. These little like thinner sweaters look new. So they have this cinch detail on the side, crew neck, really nice like stretchy ribbed fabric. Comes in the white, also orange, and in black. These are going to be $24.99. These look really pretty. They're like a faux suede trench. Has that little shoulder detail, like raw seams with that little buckle detail on the sleeve. It comes in this purple, also in the coral. There's a brown, beige, and in black. And these are $44.99. Has that flap style button. Also new is this button down shirt dress. So it's like this really nice like stretchy kind of shirt fabric with the button detail on the wrist. I think I saw they had them on in white online as well. So it comes in the orange and black. These are $24.99. This little like bustier style red lace bodysuit is $19.99. I know one of you guys said you're looking for belts. There's lots of really sparkly ones. This heart one is really cute for Valentine's. It's gonna be $17.99. This little butterfly chain is $14.99. Also new is this little rib dress. So this one has this square neckline, really nice stretchy ribbed fabric through the wrist, fitted through the body with this like gathering around the bust. Comes in the green, also blue, there's beige. These are going to be $24.99. And right next to it are these new corduroy dresses. So they're really nice, thick and stretchy. These are $19.99. In store they're on sale for $9.99. Has the zipper detail on the side with all that stitching, and it comes in the black and then also in the beige. Super flared like velour pants are new. So they do have the pockets on the back, button like all the details of a pair of denim. No pockets on the front, but they come also in the brown. These are $27.99, and I'm pretty sure they're also on sale online as well. Also new is this little like shorter cropped jacket. It's this nylon plush fabric, really nice and quilted on the inside with the flat pockets on the front, and it does have the toggles on the side so you could pull it all in. This one's $34.99. These ribbed raw hem tops look new. So it has the crew neck, really nice, like more of a shorter style. Comes in the green and the ivory, also in this brown and white, and these are $17.99. They're like satin midi length dresses. So this has this slit on the side, really nice like drapey fabric, has that crisscross detail. Comes in the navy, also red, and then this one's also new. Crew neck, like soft stretchy kind of knit with the little mushroom ribbing on the side, and it's more of an oversized fit as well. This one's $34.99. These felt like plaid wide leg, or if they're flared pants, look new. So this is what the material looks like up close. They do have some stretch to them. You have the button detail, the zipper, no pockets, like fitted through the hip. Comes in the yellow and black plaid. This is kind of like a stretchier kind of knit. The brown and black, there's a green. And these are $17.99. I showed you guys this one last time. This one was really marked down the last time I looked. And this one also comes in plus. But I'll look online. I know a lot of you guys ask about the plus sizes. I don't see any in this particular store, but anything I show that's available in plus will also be linked down below. How cute is that? It reminds me a lot of the Free People smiley face sweatshirt. This one's $24.99. Has more of like a crop boxy fit with the embroidered little smiley face. And this one's $24.99. Little like 12 come in the black and then also in this pea green color. These are $34.99. Little teddy bear jogger set. It was like a favorite in that puffer coat, which I actually had in my cart as well. Has the mock neck zip, like this really super soft kind of fleece material with the elastic at the bottom, stitch detailing across the top, and then elastic on the wrist. And these are $24.99. The joggers have an elastic waistband, pockets, elastic at the bottom, and these are also $24.99. Also new is this little Pulp Fiction jogger set. So this one has a crew neckline, really super soft fleece on the inside. The sweatshirt's $29.99, and then they do have the matching joggers with Pulp Fiction down the leg, true jogger bottoms with an elastic waistband, and they also have pockets. Also seeing a new like chunky sweater vest. This has the cable knit style also on the side with the ribbing at the bottom. These are $24.99. They look very oversized. This is the small. And a zip up jacket. So this has the drawstring, like stitch detailing with the elastic at the bottom, pockets on the side, hood in the back. Comes in the beige, also in this purple. Also lots of new graphic tees. So the first one I'm seeing, what is this? Gin and Juice, Aaliyah. This is a sweatshirt. This one's a sweatshirt, $29.99. This little Def Leppard sweatshirt is now $29.99. Betty boot. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a